we've got this little green red flashing light. It's basically like a police light, red on one side, green on the other. So yeah, that's all the components that we've got ready now. Okay, so now we've got the majority of the components in place. And solder all them in, and then trim up all these loose ends, make it all nice and neat, and then we can crack on with the LEDs. Just wait for the soldering iron to warm up. Okay, that's everything soldered on there. Not the best soldering in the world. Okay, so that's the blue LEDs in. We'll pop the red ones in now, finish off the last bit of soldering, and then we can power it up, see if it's working. Okay, so all the LEDs and everything are soldered on now. Just got to solder this power lead on, and I've tinned the wires, so it should just be a quick blob on there. No blob on there. Power it up. So it is working, however some of the tracks broke when I was soldering the LEDs on, so I've just got to repair those so that they're all blinking. But yeah, essentially it's working. Pretty cool. So we're all finished, all the LEDs working. Basically some of the tracks were a little bit broke on the back, so I've just basically gone over and soldered all the connections so that they're like extra strong and everything's working. Spot on.